Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create FX Replay account in 2026. Now if you want to try FX Replay for yourself, there is a 15% discount link in the description box below. So if you use that link, you will be landed here on fxreplay.com. Now over here you will see this try now button or get started button on the home page. So simply select any of these options that are available over here. So what FX Replay is going to do is it is going to redirect you on the sign up page where you can sign up using your Google account or by providing an email address and by creating a strong password for your account. So when you create your account for the very first time, you will be asked to basically select your plan. So you can start with the free plan, but it has some of the limitations. And if you can purchase, you can just simply go with their pro plan. Now over here in the testing, you just have to select the option of the back testing session. Now you need to give your back testing session a name, select the amount. After that, select the asset and click on the option of create session. Now as you can see, I've already created the session, so you can just simply scroll down and select the option of view session analytics. And what this is going to do is it is going to open the chart in front of you just like so. Now over here you can use this replay button, and here you can use FX Replay in order to backtest your strategy. So that's how you can basically create your FX Replay account. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.